Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to recover a TikTok account without phone number and email. To do that, head over to your browser and also there search for TikTok Help Center. Go to TikTok Help Center and in here just search for recover my account. And in here you will find several options to recover your account just without your phone number and email. You just have to head over to any of them and then you can just recover your account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next one.